Hello again, friends. It's Bob Price with your Monday, December 1st edition of Canada's Business Beat. Safe haven demand, aka growing concerns about the real state of the U.S. economy, is being cited by experts as the main reason for surging gold and silver prices. A 6-week high for gold and a record high for silver now at nearly $58 an ounce. Bitcoin at the same time down sharply. This as well has the stock market buzzing. Toronto's Barrick Mining just reporting that it's exploring the possibility of starting a separate public company for its North American gold mining assets. Barrick's share price up sharply on that news. Canada's Business Beat has the most news you'll hear in 2 minutes, updated daily on Twitter, Blue Sky, YouTube, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. Remember the political griping that surrounded former Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's move to spend $4.5 billion to buy the Trans Mountain oil pipeline to make sure its expansion project got done? Well, now, in case you haven't heard, Trans Mountain is reporting that while posting a quarterly earning of $600 million, it's also on track to return about $1.7 billion to the federal coffers this year. A long and tortured process now doing what it's supposed to do, in the words of TMX CEO Mark Mackey. Regarding that Airbus A320 recall, which had the global airline sector scrambling this past week, now Airbus is reporting that most of those planes impacted have already been fixed with a necessary computer software update. Air Canada, by the way, was one of the least affected carriers, as nearly all of their A320s don't use the same hardware that had to be updated. And on the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, fourth quarter earnings season for the banks, with Scotiabank reporting on Tuesday, the Royal and National Banks on Wednesday, BMO, TD, and CIBC will be out with their numbers on Thursday. Also Thursday, Sea-Doo and Ski-Doo maker BRP will be posting third quarter results, and StatsCan wraps up the week with November job numbers on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.